Here we have an integral with a modulus function, and this is relevant because we have negative values for x in the limits. So the first step in a question like this is always to try to sketch your function to see what it looks like. So 3 minus x is a straight line. So you're looking at something that looks like that. That's 3 minus x. But we're looking at the modulus of x. So x is always positive, even when it's negative. So these are the positive values of x. That's fine. The negative values for x, you take the positive version of that. So for every negative value of x, you're looking at the positive equivalent. So when x is minus 1, you have 3 minus the absolute value of minus 1, so that's 3 minus 1. So it's as if you're looking at the positive again, so the graph is reflected on the y-axis. So what you actually have is that there. Now the part of the graph that we're interested in is between minus 3 and 3, and if you label your graph, you've actually got 3 here, minus 3 here, and 3 here. So what we're interested in is actually the area under the graph from minus 3 to 3, so it's this area. Okay. Now, what you could do is just find the area here from 0 to 3 and then multiply by 2. That's probably the easiest way to do it. You could integrate under these two separate functions and add them together. The answer will be the same, so I'll do both for you. So you could say this is equal to twice the area from 0 to 3 of 3 minus x dx, which is 2 times 3x minus x squared over 2 from 0 to 3. And that'll give you 2 times 9 minus 9 over 2 minus 0, which is simply 9. So that's one way of finding the answer. The longer way of finding the answer is to integrate twice. So recognizing that this function here is 3 minus x, because this has a positive slope because of the modulus, so it's actually a different line. It's 3 plus x. You end up with two integrations, an integration from minus 3 to 0 of 3 plus x dx, and a separate integration from 0 to 3 of 3 minus x dx. So that will give you 3x plus x squared over 2 from minus 3 to 0 plus 3x minus x squared over 2 from 0 to 3. So it's a little bit more work doing it this way, but you get the same answer. So you get the zeros cancel out and you get 9 over 2 plus 9 over 2 equals 9. So same answer.